Welcome to Proactive Thinking program. So we'll go through the definition of it. Let's go see what it is. See the definition is proactive. Being proactive means thinking about the future and focusing on the things you can control instead of those you cannot. So it's about thinking about the future and also being feasible, understanding feasible, practical aspects, what you can control and not. It also means taking responsibility. The concept was popularized by Stephen Covey in Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. So being proactive is very first habit one should have. So let us go to the single pointedness focus in proactive. Present moment with future vision. You always need to have a focus of future, but live in the present moment and take steps which is aligned to the future. And let's go to other concept, which is deep proactive mindset. So what it means is uh, first, let us go through it. Proactive mindset is a person's ability to anticipate events so that he or she can take control of the situation proactively. Before it becomes a problem, you proactively, rather than reacting when it happens, you proactively take measures like you eat healthy food, you do exercise, you have multiple streams of income, so that when there are issues, so you don't face challenges, you solve the problems, preparing for the situation ahead of time. Okay, being proactive is like thinking about the future, planning, preparing what lies ahead, and it means acting today to make tomorrow better. Okay, uh, so what is a proactive mindset and how to achieve it? So a proactive mindset starts realizing that you cannot produce of your circumstances, but you can but your decisions. You can make decisions today and be proactive. And most important characteristics of pure proactive mindset is focusing on things that are in your control. You can you cannot control the weather and other circumstances, but you can control other things, like you can have backups and plan B for it. Okay, proactive responsibilities are like taking responsibility, realizing it proactively so that you start working on it, and so that tomorrow when there's a problem you don't uh, feel negative and all, you proactively. Proactive mindset the is often interworded with the growth mindset. It is a growth mindset, proactive mindset. If you have a growth mindset, so you will be persistent, you will always you will never fail, you will always succeed, and you will inspire and continuously improve because you are inspired that okay, it is going to happen, and you have a confidence and you proactively work for it, and you are genuine in the actions, and you are open to change, and those proactive people are always open to the change. Reactive people make mistakes, but proactive people are like reactive people will always give excuse, blame on others, circumstances, this and that. But proactive people will always take responsibility and start working towards it. When a proactive person makes a mistake, he will acknowledge it and be accountable and correct it so that he finds a solution, and he accepts the mistake. Then the proactive people, they know they are responsible themselves and their life, so they take actions accordingly. They are always proactive. That is proactive mindset. Let us go to the other concept, which is how to be more proactive in life. Being proactive in life means taking care of yourself and things around you, as well as developing good habits, because you realize your life is a product of things you do every day. So it's all about habits. You need to inculcate your habits as per the goal, as per the mission, so that you are healthy, you are wealthy, and you are always growing. And how to be more proactive at work. And knowing what is coming up, you should know what is coming up. Blocking time, your manager's calendar, creating calendar reminders, becoming more proactive through awareness. Proactive people are also always aware about negative effects. So this is how you will be more proactive at work. How to be less reactive. Plan ahead, set smart goals. If you are not so sure how to prioritize, the Eisenhower matrix can help you, and learn to solve problems, learn to take responsibility of your actions, and then then be solution focused, oriented, so that you can achieve great results solving problems. Problem solving should be your, like, mindset. You should always be solution oriented. Be accountable. It is important to have clearly defined goal, quantified, so that you can determine if you actually reach or not. Have, like, quantifiable feasible goal, so that you can achieve it, and you will achieve the goal, and you will be successful always. Also do research about proactive thinking, how you can be more proactive and apply this skill in your life and get maximum results. Thank you so much. We'll go to the next section, next video, where we'll study about use of SMART goals. Thank you so much.